What's up guys, Aaron here ng Team Red Ninjas, and on this video pakita ko sa inyo paano ko na-unbox ang Canon M50 na galing sa Lazada. Hindi po siya bato, hindi rin po siya sabon. It's a Canon M50. Check it out. Okay, so ito yung ating package from Lazada PH. I got this for 36,400 pesos. This is the cheapest that you will find online right now for a kit lens package of Canon M50. Alright, so yung box is not that big, enclosed lang yung pagkakalagay sa kanya, siksik, and then we have a couple of this air filler, okay, and then we have the sales invoice from Lazada. Alright, let's set it aside. Now, if you take a look inside of the box, ito ang box po is still covered with bubble wrap. Yung buong, wow, okay, so, yan, napaka-secured ng package natin. That's good with the seller. Ito po ay ang ating kit lens of Canon M50 with the standard 15 to 45mm kit lens. Alright, so, let's just slide this out and then open the box. There you go. Ayan. It's quite a US version, so we have a user manual that is in English version. Okay, and then your registration form in Chinese. So tabi muna natin yan. And then let's see what's the other standard inclusion sa package. Ito po yung power cord. So 3-prong siya. Kasi sa HongKong yan yung plug. We also have the standard strap for mirrorless cameras of Canon. So set it aside. Now we have the kit lens. So ito, mamaya ko nabuksan yan. Ito yung 1545mm kit lens. There you go. We also have the charger ng ating battery. Okay. Tingnan yan. At ito na po ang ating battery. This is an LPE12. Okay, lagay natin mamaya. At ito na po. Nakabubble wrap pa rin to secure the main body of Canon M50. So, ito siya. Mabigat. And halos kasing bigat lang ng dati kong camera. 550D. So ito na po. It's made of plastic but the build quality is looks good. Ganda. I'll create another video for the review of this camera. So for the meantime, test lang muna natin siya kung mag-on. And here's the cap. At ayun ang APS-C sensor. So cover natin ulit. There you go. So yeah, let's test out. Let's see if it's going to turn on para ma-check natin yung camera. So basic battery LPE12. This is just a small battery. I suggest you to purchase extra batteries, especially if you will use this camera for travel vlog or leisure camera. Okay, so there you go. Slide it in. Okay, it clicks. Secure lang natin. Wala pang SD card. Later na yon. So, ayan. Slide lang yung ating display. Ito yung lever. Let's turn it on. There you go. And you'll see the date and time settings. Alright. So, ito po muna ang ating video for today. For more videos and reviews, please subscribe to our channel. Again, this is Aaron of Team Red Ninjas. Thanks for watching.